Alright guys, I'm starting this video in the car because it just works out the best that way, because this video is going to be about cars. I'm currently driving in homie Padre's new car. Okay, so yeah, we're driving in his new car right now, and basically, you guys can probably tell by the title, we're going to be surprising my older brother with my dad's old car. And yeah, I don't know exactly how this is going to turn out. We think we have a plan. We're going to need to go over some details, but we're going to surprise him. Okay guys, so this is my dad's old car, aka the one that my older brother Jace is getting. Dad, do you want to explain to them the details?
An 11-year-old car that has basically no miles on it. It's got less than a year's worth of miles, so we were essentially able to get a new car at half the price.
It's definitely a nice car, and we're very happy to find this at such a good price. Here's the look on it inside. We just got some nice leathered type seats. We got your basic steering wheel. We got no key. That's a different, because my dad's had a key his whole life, and that one you just press a button. But yeah, we're currently back in my dad's old car. So I think the plan is right now, my dad and I are gonna go head over to my brother's friend's house, and then from there we are gonna go to like this place. Hey Dad.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go to the place that my dad has the new car, and then from there my brother will be able to figure out that if my dad has his new car, then Jace is gonna get my dad's old car. So that's the plan for now. Easier said than done, I think. That's the new car. My mom's driving it right now. Alright, so yeah, we're almost here, and I'm just gonna get out of the front seat and let him take it, because it'll be a lot more convenient to film him, and I know he'll want the front seat. Alright boys, we're actually here now. Don't want to show any of those cars' license plates. Hopefully he doesn't see me. Alright, he's coming. He has no idea. Alright guys, this is current day Sterling, but I just thought I would let you guys know that there was a change of plans, and my mom was gonna be the one pulling up, and my dad was picking up Jace from the friend's house. Just letting you guys know. Now let's get back to the video. Front.
What's up, bud?
What's up?
Came with nothing, huh? Yep. Alright, I told you it'd be less than 2 weeks. Should be. Okay.
Crazy cookies.
Look who's in there.
Wait.
That car's yours, Jace.
I quit. I give up. You got me, dude. You got me.
All right.
Good one, man.
This is Dad's new car.
Today is the day.
Dude, all morning we've been thinking about this. I'm shaking right now. I didn't know how that was going to turn out.
It went really well.
I'm sure he's shaking more than me. But yeah, this is Dad's new car, and that's your car.
Transfer the keys to him, man.
All right, where are they? Ooh, this
I
is
left him in
official.
there. I left him in there.
Come on, Dad. That was like the moment, and then you ruined it. Can I do the honors, Dad?
No, you cannot.
Darn it. All right. Here's the official. Yeah, and you
He's
asked.
like, I don't know, we're working on the details.
Yeah,
right
you
now.
asked in the car. You were like,
I'm like, what?
"Oh my gosh,
Thank
it's
you.
official." Let's see when you're here. Dude, that's so perfect.
Does it feel good,
Yes,
Jace?
sir, it does. It feels great.
I remember what it was like to feel keys in my hands. It was so awesome.
Dad's vlogging, me vlogging, part 2.
Love you, man. Thanks for your patience.
So the whole mailbox thing was just a front?
Yeah.
There was
Yeah.
Hey, can I drive this bad boy home?
no, because it won't start, literally.
What?
The plan was I was going to hide up there, but the car will not start.
Oh, it won't?
No.
Do one leaning and one with your arm resting on it.
I'm taking a video of a guy taking a video.
Now when can I get some speakers in this bad boy?
Alright guys, since we're here, I just have to get a flip out of me. I can't get on. Gotta get a quick flip in since we're here. No hesitation. I'm just kidding, this is kind of scary. I felt so cool for a second. Wait. You ready guys? This is for you. Oh, my hat came off. I was totally blind. I was totally blind during that. So the funniest part was that you asked Dad before that. You were like, Dad, so when are you thinking we can get the details on this? And then this car can be mine.
Own dang car, bro.
Let's go, let's go. That cold start, let's go. Right here, right here, right here. Oh. Dad, can we do a quick horn test?
Sure.
Ooh. Alright guys, so my family is now heading to a trampoline park, and I think I'm just going to make like an edit, and my brother will be there too, so we'll have some good clips. Here we go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching that video. It was really fun surprising my brother, and I loved his reaction of it, and just how he thought we were going home from a friend's house, and it turned into him getting his new car. Yeah, we had so much fun surprising my brother. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I hope all of you enjoyed. And if you did, please leave a like, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.